Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe and join the community. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming through for me. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube videos. After selecting video, if it's your first time using the app, it takes you directly to your gallery, but if it's not, it shows you your drafts. I'll be doing this tutorial with one of my drafted videos because I have a lot of them. In Canvas, you can see the different frame sizes for different apps, but on YouTube, you work with 16.9, and in background, you can change like the background of your video. That's the size of your video, and you can zoom it in to fit. So there are two ways to save these new settings. Either you click the right one to apply to only one video, or you click the left side to apply to all videos. Next up, we have music. You can either select from one of these albums, just make sure you give credit, or you extract audio from a video you might have saved before because you like the audio. Then we have effects, that's sound effects, different type of sounds. You have it all there, and you can also use the voiceover option like I'm doing right now. Yeah, I'm using the voiceover option right now. We have sticker next, and in sticker you can either browse from your gallery, as you may have a sticker in your gallery you want to add there. Selected my subscribe, turn on notification and thumbs up stickers, and now we're going to adjust them to fit where I want them to be in the video. And this is very important, so you don't just have your stickers sticking out anywhere at the video, so it will just pop up anyhow. That would be so disorganized, and I've actually done something like that once and I felt so ashamed when I was watching the video. So here is just like how you want the stickers to come into the video. That's what I'm doing right now. So you want them to slide in, you want them to just pop up anyhow you want it, and you also set the timer. So let's go. Voila. Then we have mosaic. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. I think so. Mosaic is basically just to blur out a surface, or probably somebody's face, or a background, anything you just want to blur out of your video. Maybe you did a video and someone is showing and you don't want that person to show, so you can just use this option to blur. Like now I'm trying to blur my face so you guys can see. You have to tap on what you want to edit first of all before you can edit. Next up, we have filter, and we have effects on that filter. This is basically just to like transition your videos. We have filter next, and honestly I don't know what filter is, but it's just like when you have your Snapchat filters and all, but I don't use it because I feel like it messes up the originality. And we have adjust, where you can adjust the brightness of your videos, the warmth, the contrast, all of that. We have pipe or peep, I don't know, but it means picture in picture, I think, but it's only logical that that's what it means. Basically, it's adding a picture or a video into your video. This is the feature I'm using right now to create this video because this screen record is in a picture. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm using right now. Then we have pre-cut, that's to trim a particular video. We have split, and split is just to divide a video into two like that. Then we have delete, if you want to delete a video. Then you want to adjust the volume of a video, if you want to mute it all the way or you want to make it loud all the way. And we have those two options again. I'm sure you know what to do. Click the right one to select for one, click the left one to select for all. I hope you're learning one or two on how to edit YouTube videos. If you have any question, drop it in the comments below. Next up, we have speed. You want to increase the pace of your video like that. You can increase it all the way up, or if you want to make it very slow, that's like slow-mo, edited slow-mo, that's how you do. Automatically it gives you the tiny voices when you do the fast pace. But when you tap on that original pitch option, it gives you like your original voice but in a fast pace. Replace is if you want to like replace your video with another one in your gallery, so it takes you to your gallery. Then we have duplicate. If you want to duplicate a video, maybe you want to make it the starting point of your video, you click on duplicate. Okay, we have rotate to rotate your video and place it at any angle you want it to be. We also have flip, it does almost the same work as rotate. Then freeze, if you want to freeze a particular part of a video, just like that. We have reverse, as the name implies, is used to reverse a video. So it processes the video and it gives you the reverse. Last thing here is your settings. That's how you to adjust how you want to save your video. I always save my video in 4K 25 frame. You can save your video in 1080 or anyhow you want to save your video, but I recommend 4K. It's very important because your video quality has to be top notch. If your phone cannot carry this size of 4K, because 4K saves in very large space, it can be in like 2 gig, depends on the length of your video. Just save in 1080, but don't go beyond 1080. This is what it shows once you tap on save, and you have to stay on this page until it's done saving. Yeah guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two. I hope I've added to your knowledge on how to edit videos for YouTube. You can see how easy it is. If you've come this far, thank you for watching to the end of my video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. See you in my next video.